If you're looking to update your watch collection, why not purchase a solar timepiece? Powered by light, solar watches boast a long-lasting design. Not to mention, they are seriously stylish and come in a variety of different styles and colors. From sporty to sophisticated designs, we have compiled the best men's solar watches that will banish battery replacements. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Function meets fashion with the Casio Giga W9401 CR solar watch. This timepiece is suitable for a number of underwater activities, with water resistance up to 200 meters. Features include a protective mineral crystal dial window, digital compass, thermometer, and atomic timekeeping. Completing its sporty appearance is a black resin band with a black face, red accents on the dial, and a buckle clasp closure. There's a lot to like about the Seiko Excelsior solar chronograph watch. The timepiece pairs a black dial with luminous hands and markers for a legible design. Features include alarm settings, a driving system, and solar movement powered by all types of light. A hardlex dial window protects a 43mm stainless steel case for ultimate durability. Other sturdy features include a stainless link bracelet and fold-over clasp with double push-button safety closure. Japanese quartz movement and water resistance to 100 meters will see you through the rigors of swimming and snorkeling. The Seiko SSC017 Prospex solar watch merges a practical design with a sleek finish. Designed with durability in mind, the solar-powered timepiece boasts a 43mm stainless steel case with hardlex dial window. The stainless steel bracelet is paired with a black dial for a classic finish. With water resistance to 200 meters, the watch will stand up to a variety of water sports. Along with being recharged by light, this expertly crafted watch harnesses a Japanese quartz movement and diving bezel function. Take your style to new levels with a solar watch that is equal parts functional, fashionable, and durable. The Casio Solar Sport watch features a 46mm case, water resistance to 100 meters, and Japanese quartz movement. Featuring an LED light with afterglow and luminous hands and markers, this timepiece will accompany you through both day and nighttime adventures. The expertly crafted watch also incorporates countdown timers, a calendar function, and world times into its design. A dark blue polyurethane strap and dial come together to create the Citizen EcoDrive BN0100 and 5109 liters solar watch. A 48mm stainless steel case, EcoDrive technology, and luminous hands and hour markers ensure this watch is the ultimate accessory for everyday wear. The watch harnesses a Japanese quartz movement and water resistance to 200 meters, making it suitable for swimming, showering, and snorkeling. Other notable features include a unidirectional bezel, a date window, and one-way rotating elapsed time. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notification spot, our latest video.